Sai Ram class, how are you all? I hope that you all are very fine. So class, as we were in our chapter number 11, perimeter and area. Now our next exercise is based on circles. So let's see the formula we will gonna use in this exercise. So we will gonna use two formulas in this exercise, that is 11.3. The first one is circumference of a circle. See, circumference means you can call it as perimeter also. As in case of square and rectangle, the sum of all the side is known as the perimeter of that figure. Similarly, in case of a circle, the length of its boundary, if we take a thread and we place it as in shape of circle, then the length of that thread is known as the circumference of that circle. Okay. Now we have a formula to find out the circumference of a circle, which is 2 pi r. Now this thing is called as pi and its value is 22 by 7 or 3.14, and r is for radius of circle. Now the second formula we will gonna use is area of circle, and the formula is pi r square. I hope you all remember that this sign means power. So r, that is radius having power 2, that is pi r square. Now let's move on to the exercise. Our first question is find the circumference of the circle with the following radius. We have given 3 radius and we have to find the circumference for all the 3 circles, and also given that we have to use 22 by 7 as pi's value. So let's see how we have to solve it. So we have given 14 centimeter as radius and we have to find the circumference of the circle, and we have formula 2 pi r. So we have to put all the given things, that is 2 in place of 2, and we have to use 22 by 7 for pi's value, and radius is given as 14 centimeter. Now we have to solve it. We can directly divide 7 with 14. So we will have 2 here. Now we have to multiply 2 with 22 and 2. So our answer is 88 centimeter. Okay class. Let's take one more. Second part, 28 millimeter. So the radius is given 28 millimeter and circumference of the circle formula is 2 pi r. So we have to put 22 by 7 in place of pi. Radius is given as 28 millimeter. So we can directly divide 7 and 28. So we will have 4 here in place of 28. Now we have to multiply 2 with 22 and 4. So our circumference of this circle is 176 millimeter. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. The question is find the area of the following circle. Now in this question we have to find the area. That means we have to use the formula for area of circle, that is pi r square. Okay. Formula for area of circle is pi r square. So we have given 3 radius and we have to find their area for their circle. In the B part we have given diameter. So first we have to convert it into radius, and we all know that radius is half of diameter. Okay. So let's see how we have to solve it. In the first part, radius is 14 millimeter and we have to use pi equals to 22 by 7. So the radius for the circle is 14 millimeter. So the area of circle will be, we have to put the value for pi and then r square, that is r square. So let's put the value for pi and then radius. So it will be 22 by 7 in place of pi and 14 in place of radius. And then we have to find the square of radius. So square of 14 will be 196. Now we have to solve 22 by 7 with 196. So when we solve it, we will have 616 millimeter square as radius or as area of this circle. Now let's see one more example. The B part where we have given diameter which is 49 meter. So again first we have to convert this diameter into radius. So we have to divide it with 2. So we will have 24.5 as radius. Now the area of circle pi r square. So the value for pi is 22 by 7 and radius is 24.5. Now we have to solve it. After finding the square of 24.5, that is 600.25, and then the solution is 1886.5 meter square as area of this circle. So class, the first two questions are very easy. We just have to put the formula and values for given things, and we have to find the circumference and area for the circle. The question number 3 is, if the circumference of a circular sheet is 154. A circular sheet, we have a circular sheet and its circumference, that is the length of its boundary, is given as 154 meter. So we have to find the radius. That means we have to use formula for circumference and we can easily find the radius. And after that we also have to find the area. So let's see how we have to solve it. From the question, circumference of the circle is given 154 meter. So we have to use formula circumference of circle, which is 2 pi r, and we have to put all the given things, that is circumference which is given as 154, 2 in place of 2, 22 by 7 in place of pi, and we have to find the value for r, that is radius. So what we will do, we will first multiply 2 with 22, which become 44 by 7. Then 7 will go to the another side of equals and it will multiply with 154, and 44 comes in denominator. So now after solving this, we will have the value for radius, that is 24.5 meter. You can see here. Okay, you also have to cross check the calculation, whether the calculation is correct or not. Okay, now after finding the radius, we can easily find the area of the circle by just put all the values, that is value of pi and radius, in the formula. Now after putting the value for pi and radius, our answer, that is our area for the circle, is 1886.5 meter square. Okay. Let's move on to question number 4. A gardener wants to fence. Fencing means he want to put boundary, okay, boundary on the circular garden, and which is of diameter 21 meter. That means the gardener wants to put boundary on its garden which is of diameter 21 meter. So we have to find the length of the rope he needed to purchase to make 2 rounds of the fence. That means they directly want to ask the circumference of this garden for 2 rounds. That means 2 multiplying with its circumference. Okay. And after this we also have to find the cost for this rope, which is given as, if the cost is 4 rupees per meter. So let's see how we have to solve it. So from the question, it is given that the diameter of the circle is 21 meter. So that means its radius will be diameter's half, that is 10.5 meter. Now we have to find the circumference of the circle, which is 2 pi r, So we have to put all the values, that is value of pi and radius. After solving it, we will get circumference of this garden as 66 meter. So we all know that gardener wants to put double fencing, 2 round of fencing. So that means we have to multiply the circumference with 2 to find the total length of the rope required to make 2 round of the fencing. So it will be 132 meter. Now we all know that 132 meter of rope gardener needed to make 2 round of the fencing. So we also have to find the cost for that much rope. If 1 meter of rope cost rupees 4, so 132 meter of rope will cost 4 into 132, that is 528. Okay. See, all the questions are very relative to each other, just differences the use of formula. We have to understand where we have to use which formula. Okay. So it will become easy to solve these questions. So let's see the next question. Question number 5. From a circular sheet of radius, we have a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter. A circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. This is the figure for this question. From this bigger circle which is of 4 centimeter radius, this small circle which is of 3 centimeter radius is removed. So we have to answer, find the area of remaining sheet. We have to find the area for this blue sheet which is remaining. Okay. So what we have to do, first we will find the area for this bigger circle. Then we will find this area of this small circle. And then we after finding the area of both the circle, then we minus the area of small circle from this bigger one. So we will have this answer, that is the area of the remaining sheet. So from the question, diameter of this, question number 5, from the question it is given that radius of circular sheet, that is bigger one, is 4 centimeter and radius of the circle which is removed from its inner portion is 3 centimeter. So the area of remaining sheet will be what? Will be, for this we have to minus the area of a small circle from the area of bigger circle. So we are taking capital R as radius of big circle and small r as radius of small circle. So we will take pi common from both of them, and here square of bigger circle, square of radius of bigger circle and square of radius of small circle. So we have to put the values 3.14 for pi, 4 centimeter radius of bigger circle, 3 centimeter radius of small circle. So square of 4 is 16 and square of 3 is 9. So 16 minus 9 will be 7. So our answer is 21.98 centimeter square is the area of remaining sheet. Okay. I hope this is very easy and understandable to you. Question number 6 is, Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table cover of diameter 1.5. Now Saima wants to put lace. So obviously in the boundary on this circular tablecloth. So that means it is a question of circumference. And diameter is given as 1.5 meters. So we have to find the length of the lace required and also its cost. If the cost of 1 meter is 15 rupees. So that means first we have to find the circumference of this circular tablecloth. Then we can easily find the rate. So the diameter of this circular table is 1.5 meters. So radius will be half of 1.5 meter. That is 0.75 meter. So its circumference will be 2 pi r. That is, we have to put the value for pi, which will be 3.14, and r is, that is radius is 0.75. After solving this, we will have circumference 4.71 meter. So that means the length of lace required is 4.71 meter. Now if the cost of 1 meter of lace is 15, so the cost for 4.71 meter of lace will be 15 into 4.71, that is rupees 70.65. Now question number 7 is find the perimeter of this adjoining figure, which is a semicircle including its diameter. See, we have to find the perimeter, so the circumference of this semicircle will be count, and also this diameter will also be count. So let's see how we have to solve it. So diameter is given as 10 centimeter. So its radius will be half of 10, that is 5 centimeter. So the circumference of this semicircle will be, see, we all know that the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So the circumference for the semicircle will be, it will be multiplying with half. Okay, that is 1 by 2, that is half of 2 pi r. So 2 will be cancel out with 2, we will only have pi r. So it is pi r. So the circumference for the semicircle is pi r. So we have to put the value for pi and radius. After solving it, we will have circumference 15.71 centimeter. Now perimeter of given figure is circumference of the semicircle and the diameter of the semicircle. Okay. So the perimeter of this given figure is 15.71, that is circumference of the semicircle and plus diameter of this semicircle, which is 10 centimeters. So the perimeter of the given figure will be 25.71 centimeter. Now question number 8 is find the cost of polishing a circular table top of diameter. We have given the diameter of circular tabletop, which is 1.6 meter, and we have to find the cost of polishing. If the cost is rupees 15 per meter square, that means first we have to find the area of this circular table top, because we are polishing on its area. So first we have to find the area. So we have given diameter 1.6 meter. So first we have to find the radius, that is half of 1.6 meter, which will be 0.8 meter. Now for area of the circular tabletop is pi r square. Pi is 3.14, r is 0.8, square of 0.8. So after solving it, we will have 2.0096 meter square as area of the circular table top. Now if the cost of polishing is rupees 15 per meter square, so the cost of polishing 2.0096 meter square will be 15 into 2.0096, that is rupees 30.144. Okay. Now let's move on to the last question of today's class, which is question number 9. Sazli took a wire of length 44 centimeter. So the length of wire is 44 centimeter and bent it in the shape of circle. Okay, bent it in the shape of circle. That means indirectly they are giving us the circumference of this circle is 44 centimeter. Circumference of this circle is 44 centimeter. Now first we have to find the radius, and after this we have to find this area. Okay, so if we have circumference, we can easily find the radius, and after radius we can easily find the area. After this, if the same wire is bent in the shape of square, that means indirectly we have given the perimeter of square also, which is 44 centimeter. So what will be the length of its each side? So we can easily find, and after this we have to answer which figure enclose more area. So that means we have to also find the area of the square also. So let's do the question one by one. First we have to find the radius of this circle whose circumference is given as 44 centimeter. So length of the wire is 44 centimeter and it bent in shape of circle. That means the circumference of the circle is 44 centimeter. So we can easily find the area radius by putting the value in the formula of circumference of the circle, which is 2 pi r. So circumference of the circle is given as 44. Pi's value we will gonna use 22/7 and we have to find the radius. So we can easily find the radius by solving this, which will be 7 centimeter. After finding out the radius, we can easily find the area of this circle by putting the value of radius in pi r square formula, which is formula of area of circle. So square of 7 is 49, but we can easily cut this 7 with this one. So we have to multiply 22 with 7. So our area of this circle is 154 centimeter square. Now, if the radius is bent in shape of square, so that means the perimeter of a square is also 44 centimeter. So the length of its each side can easily be find out by just dividing 44 with 4. Why? Because we all know that all the 4 sides of a square are of equal length. So if perimeter is 44 centimeters, so length of its one side is 44 divided by 4, which is 11 centimeter. Now we can easily find the area of the square also, because the formula is square of its length, means square of its one of its side. So area of square will be square of 11, that is 121 centimeter square. Now the last question is we have to answer which of the figure encloses more area, whether circle or square. So you can easily see that area of square is 121 centimeter. Okay, area of square is 121 centimeter, and we can easily see that area of circle is 154 centimeter square. So we can easily see that area of circle encloses more area. So our answer will be circle encloses more area. This is our answer for the question number 9. Now after question number 9, we have about 7 to 8 more questions in this exercise. That these questions we will do in our next class. Till then you have to practice these questions by your own, and you can easily or you can try the further question of this exercise also. Till then, thank you class.